Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to make a crochet table mat. Can be used dining table and tea table. Sorry for late. I would promise in crochet pattern group make this tutorial 2 weeks ago. So let's start. At first I will take cotton golden sun yarn, crochet hook and yarn curtain. At first I will take a loop now I am making three chain 1 2 3 and 1 double crochet, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Eleven, 12. It is continue same this way all of 18 double crochet. 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, and now sleeping stitch. This stitch is end sleeping stitch. So our first round is complete and now we are let's go second round. At first I will take 3 chain and 1 double crochet. A pairs double crochet and next rooms I will take 1 double crochet and again next rooms I will take a pairs double crochet. At first I will take a, pairs double crochet and one double crochet and a pairs double crochet. Now again I will seam the way. I will take a pairs double crochet and I will take one double crochet and again a pairs double crochet. Making this stitch, seam the way. This stitch totally 13 crochet, 13 stitch, and I will finish the stitch and slip stitch. The second round is finished, so I will go to third round. Now at first a pairs double crochet, starting 3 chain. And one double crochet, again next rows one double crochet, and now next rows a pairs double crochet. Total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And skip the stitch, one chain. Now a pairs double crochet, and skip the stitch, one chain. Making the stitch same way. A pairs double crochet and one double crochet and one double crochet and one double crochet and a pairs double crochet. Total 7 stitch. So viewers, complete the crochet table mat tutorial part 1. We will publish the second part as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.